it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on tonight with a quick beauty haul 2024. I got some new things at Sephora the other day that I was really excited about, and I also did get some PR that is unreal. It's so good. So I couldn't wait to come and just hop on and do this quick beauty haul and show you exactly what I got. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. Beauties, I have to start this haul by saying I just got this new lash glue from Sephora, and I used it the other day, and now I used it tonight before I came to chit chat with you dolls, and I think it's really, it has to be what it is. It's the only thing I did different, but my eye is just really tearing up. It feels like I'm being stabbed in the eye. So I think it's because of the lash glue. I think maybe the lash glue might have gotten in my eye because I can't see any, what could be causing this kind of stabbing feeling. And my eye was just tearing, water's coming down my face. So if I look kind of wonky, that's what's going on with this eye. Do you guys see it? I don't see it in the mirror. That's why I can't kind of figure out what exactly is causing this feeling, but it definitely did start since I put on the lash glue. So that's really unfortunate. I will try it again though, because actually I don't know if I'll try this lash glue again, because I'm pretty sure it has to be lash glue. It's the only thing I did different. But unfortunately, I really was excited to share this with you beauties, because you did put this on as soon as I got it in the car, and I loved it. So I was really, really excited to come and share it with you. But now tonight, I think something has gone wrong, because it's really, really feeling very uncomfortable in this eye here. I'm pretty sure you can see it's tearing up now. So let me just quickly show you, and then I'm just gonna go wash my face off. But what happened was I purchased this Sephora. This was a lash kit. And now this lash kit was, I thought, amazing, because I love the lashes in themselves. They're very natural looking, and actually this is called, maybe it's a weightless false lash kit. So now in this kit was a lash glue, the lashes, which are beautiful. They're very feathery, they're very light. I thought they have a beautiful look to them, very natural but slightly glam. But the really standout thing about this kit though, which actually it fell out, but it came, I have it here somewhere, I'll find it. Oh, here it is. It's a mini false lash applicator. Actually, I'll look it up on Amazon, and because I would love to always have one of these in case I lose this one. But you can really, because it's mini, and maybe it's because I have hooded eyes and small eyes, but you can really squeeze the lash band so well. You can also do the front portion of your eye, this tear duct area that sometimes is so hard to get the lashes perfectly adhered, the faux tear lash. So I just thought this was phenomenal, and I still do. I have never used such a good lash applicator as this. So for that reason, and these beautiful lashes, and I do have super sensitive eyes, and I did wear this lash glue the other day and I didn't have this experience. So maybe, I'll try. I don't really want to try this lash glue again, but let me know if you beauties have tried it. But definitely for this applicator and these lashes, I thought this is amazing. I absolutely loved it. So let me keep it moving, beauties, and show you what else I got in this beauty haul tonight. So I also did, now this was sent to me in PR. This is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Concealer. Now this is unbelievable. I truly cannot believe how it is weightless. If you love to feel like you have no makeup on, you definitely need to pick this up. It is so gel-like, it's so skin-light, it melts into your skin. It's so nourishing, it's so hydrating, it feels incredible when you put it on. So I am wearing this tonight, and I could not love this more. I was truly shocked at just primarily how incredible it feels when you put it on. If you have any, fine lines under your eyes, it's definitely not going to accentuate them. It's so hydrating and moisturizing to the delicate eye area. But in addition, it also does provide coverage. I didn't even wear my color corrector tonight like I normally do, and this did the job without color corrector. And normally I am wearing a color corrector and then a concealer on a daily basis now, but with this I did not feel the need to reach for my color corrector, because I wanted to give a true assessment of it, without a color corrector. So I did apply this without the color corrector, and I was shocked to see I didn't feel like I needed it. So this did everything. It provides a beautiful coverage. It's a seamless coverage. It's buildable. You could actually put this also on top of powder products if that's something that you like to do. A lot of people like to layer their liquid products on top of their powder, and you can do that with this product. So it's absolutely amazing. So this is something I picked up on my haul, and this is actually a second purchase. So I did use this up before, and I went back to repurchase this. This is the Kosas Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. This is talc free, clean beauty, and this sets your under eyes and your, for me, I got a very light shade, and I was using this primarily to set my under eyes and to set my T-zone area, and also to kind of highlight because I did get the lightest shade that they have, and it just absolutely made such a gorgeous effect. Left my skin so smooth, so poreless looking. Actually, I do apply this with a sponge, so to get a more full coverage look, definitely go in with a sponge of some type. I absolutely love the Real Techniques. It's a kind of a microfiber sponge. I've been using that lately, and I love it because I do like a more full coverage look. But if you wanted it to look more natural, then definitely go in with a brush, maybe a fluffy brush of some type. But I personally have been loving using this Real Techniques sponge that really gives you a very full coverage, very smooth and poreless look to your skin. So I absolutely love that. So I haven't tried this out yet, but this is the new Fenty Concealer. So I will be back and we'll test this out together, but this was just released. So I'm really excited. Actually, I haven't even opened it yet, but let me go ahead and open it with you beauties. So here it is. I absolutely love the packaging. It's definitely very modern in style and in look. So let's take a look at the applicator. So it's a nice size applicator. This is really good. It's not too big, so that's actually good if you really want to get into that tear duct area. So I'm excited to try this out, and I will be back and we'll test it out together. And then beauties, I did get this small size of the Charlotte's Tilbury. This is her Magic Water Cream. So I've seen so many incredible videos of people showing this, how it gave them that kind of donut skin look. And so I think it was Michaela that I was watching, and she was putting it on and her skin was just so dewy looking, and then she put her makeup on top. So I definitely wanted to try this out. So I got this smaller sized one just to give it a try, because sometimes, you know, with samples, they're too small. And so with this kind of size, the good thing is that you can get a really kind of a better assessment about how you like a product. And also what I really like about these mini size products or these smaller size products is that I can fit them in my makeup bag on the go, because a lot of times I am doing my makeup on the go. So that's what I really like about this. I can put it in my bag, and if I'm in the car and things like that, I'll have it with me to do my makeup on the go. So I got this for that purpose. And then I also got a mini size of the Givenchy, that pink powder. So I also did get one of these for that purpose because, you know, I needed something that I can fit in my makeup bag and take with me on the go. So I'm really excited because, again, the other one is definitely double the size of this, and so it's too big to bring in your, you know, in your makeup, or even in your purse. It'd be too big. So this is great for doing your makeup on the go, in your car, at work, at school, wherever you might be, that you can't have it at home with you. Definitely, I'm just going to put these in my makeup bag so I can get ready on the go. Now, these are some products that are new from Rare Beauty.
Say hello to the latest addition to the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty family, the Fine Comfort Body Collection. There is now the Fine Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. And all the products in this collection have the most uplifting fragrance with notes of sparkling lemon zest, jasmine, and cashmere wood. And then there is also the new hydrating hand cream that nourishes your skin for up to 16 hours with a non-greasy finish. And there is also the new Fine Comfort Body Lotion that leaves your skin soft with a healthy, renewed glow. And then there is the new Stop and Soothe Aromatherapy Pen, which is infused with soothing peppermint and lavender to help you feel relaxed and refreshed. There's also the new candle, which is made of soy and has the same uplifting fragrance. Treat yourself to a moment of pure bliss as you indulge in the delicate scents and velvety textures of the new Fine Comfort line by Rare Beauty.
This is Rare Beauty's new Fine Comfort collection, and in this collection, Selena Gomez Rare Beauty has come out with this hair refresher, which smells absolutely absolutely amazing. It truly is the most incredible uplifting scent that lasts. This also hydrates your hair and provides shine. So this is truly, out of everything in the collection, she did send me the full collection. There's also a candle. Everything has the same scent. It's an uplifting scent. It's a sparkling lemon zest, I believe, cashmere wood, and it just smells incredible. So it's creamy yet uplifting. It's unbelievable, this scent. And everything in the collection, in the Fine Comfort collection, does have that scent, but this in particular is just, oh my goodness, it is unbelievable how good it makes you feel. It doesn't smell perfume-esque. It smells like a clean, fresh kind of soap or an essential oil. It smells very natural. So the scent does not smell artificial whatsoever. It just smells incredible and truly is uplifting. So I love this, and I couldn't believe how long-lasting that it is. So the scent stays with you and just continuously uplifts you and makes you feel incredible. So this is seriously the best, one of the best beauty products that I've ever tried. And it's really unbelievable in terms of just how good it makes you feel, how incredible. And there also is the body lotion, which also has the same scent, makes your skin feel so incredible, so soft. It's unbelievable. The packaging is beautiful. It looks stunning in your bathroom or on your vanity. It's just absolutely incredible. And there's also a hand cream in this collection, which I also have, which is beautiful. It really truly nourishes your hands and leaves your skin feeling so supple, looking so much more youthful. And there is also this aromatherapy pen, which is incredible. Now this pen actually has peppermint and lavender in it, so this is not the same scent as the body collection and the hair, but this truly is so uplifting. I couldn't believe it. Oh my goodness, it is so uplifting. Selena Gomez just did such an amazing job at truly making products that just make you feel truly uplifted and just incredible and just enhance your day and make you feel so good inside and also just physically. Well, for example, with the lotion, your skin is just so soft. But this is amazing, and I was having a really bad day the other day, and I put this on and smell it, and you just feel incredible. So this is so, and it fits so nicely in your purse too, so you can take it with you traveling, on the go, at work, school, just out and about. That's where, you know, I just cannot believe how amazing this is. So beauties, that's everything for my beauty haul for tonight. I will be back soon, hopefully tomorrow, because I do have new ColourPop makeup. I have the ColourPop Valentine 2024 collection to try out with you beauties that they were good enough to send me. So I have a bunch of new things, and then these products, the Fenty Concealer, we have to try out. So I have a bunch of new things to share with you, and so I'm really excited to get into these and be back and have beauty time with you dolls. So anyway beauties, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you are all doing good. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting beauty content, and I will see you beauties very soon.